Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel New Look. Today we are going to explore Western street style dresses, the kind of outfits you see on city sidewalks, in coffee shops, at music festivals, and while shopping with friends. Street style is all about expressing yourself. It's casual, it's creative, and it's where fashion meets everyday life. Street style dresses are not about strict rules, they are about mixing comfort and personality. You can combine different textures, patterns, and accessories to create a look that's completely your own. Street style is fashion inspired by the people you see out and about, not just runway shows. It's clothing that's practical enough for daily life but stylish enough to make a statement. In Western fashion, street style often mixes casual pieces with trendy elements. For dresses, that means you will see a lot of easy fits, breathable fabrics, and layering options. You can wear sneakers with a dress, throw on denim jackets, or style a dress with chunky boots. T-shirt dresses for street style. The t-shirt dress is a street style favorite. It's loose, comfortable, and looks effortlessly cool. You can wear it with sneakers, sandals, or even ankle boots. Add a crossbody bag that you are ready to go. Shirt dresses for the street style. A shirt dress is a longer version of a button-up shirt, often tied at the waist with a belt. It's casual but still put together. You can style it with rolled up sleeves, sneakers, or even layered over jeans for a more creative look. Slip dresses for street styles. Slip dresses bring a touch of 90s street style. They are often made from silky fabrics and have thin straps. You can wear them alone in summer or layer them over a t-shirt for a casual vibe. In cooler weather, throw on a chunky sweater over the top. Sweater dresses for street style. It's perfect for fall and winter. Sweater dresses are cozy yet fashionable. Pair them with knee-high boots, tights, or a leather jackets for a stylish city look. Denim dresses for the street style. Denim never goes out of style, and denim dresses are a streetwear classic. They can be fitted, oversized, short, or long, and they work great with sneakers or chunky sandals. Now let's about how to style street style dresses. Street style is all about personality. Here are some styling ideas. Number one, layering. Add jackets, hoodies over your dress. Footwears. Swap heels of sneakers, combat boots, or chunky sandals. Accessories. Try hats, crossbody bags, or oversized sunglasses. Mixed textured. Pair soft fabric with denim, leather, or chunky knits. The goal is to mix comfort and trendiness in a way that feels natural. Street styles for different seasons. Number one, spring. Go for floral dresses with light jackets and sneakers. For summer, t-shirt dresses, slip dresses, and light cotton fabrics work best. For autumn, layer sweater dresses with scarf and ankle boots. And for winter, option for thicker fabrics, long coats, and cozy accessories. Now let's talk about why street style dresses are so popular. Number one, comfort. You can move, walk, and spend the day without feeling restrictions. Versatility. The same dress can be styled in multiple ways. Individuality. You can create a look that's 100% you. Trendy but wearable. You look fashionable without sacrificing practically. Now here is quick outfit ideas. Sporty chic. T-shirt dresses, white sneakers, baseball caps. Boohoo vibes. Flowy maxi, layered necklaces, floppy hat. Urban cool. Denim dresses, leather jackets, combat boots. Minimalist. Slip dress, simple sandals, crossed bag. Cozy look, sweater dress, tights, ankle boots. Western dresses styles are proof that fashion doesn't have to be complicated to look amazing. It's about taking simple pieces and wearing them with confidence. Whether you are heading to a cafe, meeting two friends, or just walking around the city, street styles dressed let you stay comfortable while looking effortlessly stylish. Remember, fashion trends come and go, but personal style is forever. So mix, match, and make it your own. Definitely you liked my video, and thank you very much for watching it till the ending. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.